Hey everybody, hey, it's Bob White. Well, hey, this is a short video. I'm doing some suspension testing. As you can imagine, Moab is nothing like Charles City, and boy, what works there doesn't work at all here. This is where we are camped. As you can see, the RV park's pretty empty right now. They're kicking everybody out of here in a few days. A movie company is doing a shoot here and has rented the whole place for a couple of days. The church you see is a movie prop. It was built many years ago and probably will be involved in that shoot, I would imagine. As we go down the road here, you'll notice that the RV park has a gas station, which is real convenient for filling up when we're heading out, and a convenience store, which is handy too. The town of Moab is about 10 miles south of here, but most of the riding, really good riding, we think's up this part of the county. Probably 10,000 acres or way more, I have no idea. But trails are really everything from mild to wild. As you can see, the land, of course, is full of rocks, bedrock, a lot of it, but big chunks of rocks around everywhere. We're just headed over to this area that's in front of the campgrounds, down the road from the campgrounds. It's got some rocks and stuff in it, and some ledges. Just trying to get a better feel for the suspension. Slowed down the rebound substantially, and of course added more compression down into the clickers. And just trying to get a feel for how this bike's reacting. I'm working on each bike. We've actually brought 5 bikes with us because we've got a couple of other people flying out to ride with us. And we wanted to have at least one spare. So anyway, I'm working on the suspension, trying to get it download a little bit better. As you can see, there's loose rocks, ledges, bedrock, that sort of thing in this section. It's all over, of course, this area, and there's way worse sections. Sometimes you have to negotiate, but like I said, what I'm trying to do today is just work on my suspension. But I wanted to give you guys, if you have any interest in ever coming out here, what you might see out here or encounter out here. But anyway, so I'm going to just keep doing this for a few minutes and put the talk in and then close the video out. Thanks for looking. In between these transitions, you see there's a transition. What I've done is stopped and messing with the clickers and that sort of thing, trying to dial something in. It seems to be better.